Diamond. Diamond is considered to be the most valuable gem in the world. Now, India's largest diamond mine has been found at Bakswaha region in Chhatarpur district, Madhya Pradesh. This diamond is adjacent to Panna diamond mine, which had about 22 lakh carats diamond, but already 13 lakh carats had been extracted. But the amount of diamonds stored in Bakswaha region has been estimated at 3.42 million carats. So, it will be the largest diamond mine in India. This mine can solve the economic problems of our country. A huge amount of employment can be done only if this project is fulfilled. Now, it may seem that this project will solve all our unemployment and economic problems, but we have to sacrifice nature for this lust. So, let's see what are the impacts in the environment for this project. Number 1, we need to cut down 2,15,875 trees, which not only supply oxygen but also have medicinal value. Number 2, most of the trees in this forest are rare species whose money cannot be measured. Number 3, the ecosystems will suffer of Panna Tiger Reserve. Number 4, this Bakswaha forest has many wild animals like deer, sambar, leopards, etc. will lose their natural habitat. Number 5, this Bakswaha region is already declared as a semi-arid region, but it will take 5.9 million cubic meters of water every day to implement this project. This huge amount of water will be collected from the Ken-Betwa interlinking project, which already treats to down 23 lakh trees in the Panna Tiger Reserve. Number 6, this forest is the only source of livelihood for more than 7,000 tribal people whose future will be uncertain. Now, we all have the same question. Only for diamonds should we do so much damage to our environment? Diamond is nothing more than a form of carbon. This diamond is made by burying trees under the ground for billions of years. Already, we have seen how the COVID second wave has killed people due to lack of oxygen. After that, should so many trees be cut down? We cannot deny that this project must be boost up our economy but also destroy our biodiversity. So, we have to see how development can be done without harming nature. We can offer some solutions. Number 1, the government has said that more trees will be planted, but same species of trees are usually planted in afforestation. We need to plant different type of trees so that we can fill the deficit of cutting these trees. Number 2, we have to see that there is no harm to the wildlife. Number 3, arrangements have to be made to rehabilitate and sustain the tribal people. Number 4, the most important thing is that diamond is nothing but a form of carbon. For billions of years, trees have been buried down the earth's surface and turned into diamonds. Should we destroy the trees, the resources above the surface, just to get the resources below surface? Number 5, now it is possible to make artificial diamonds using carbon dioxide in the air. As a result, this will reduce the amount of carbon dioxide, the main greenhouse gas, which will help to reduce global temperature. In order to keep nature well, we should all think more about this subject. Please share this video a lot so that people think about this issue and save our environment.